Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 983, minimum cost for tickets. So we have planned some train traveling 1 year in advance. The days of the year in which you will travel are given as integer rate days. Each day is an integer rate from 1 to 365, and we can buy 1 day, 7 day and 30-day ticket at this cost. Okay, the validity of tickets, and we need to find the minimum number of dollars to travel every day in the given list of days. Okay, days is strictly increasing. I think these days we can see the pattern, so let's continue like we did from yesterday and days before. Let's call the function by, and we'll take an index of a day that we are traveling, and current validity of a ticket. I'll just have it like this. And first let's check if, or not if, how would I call it? This is base case. Probably the best was the best case. Best name is. So if days of I, or maybe even better is if I is equal to length of days. That means that we've seen all the days, we return 0. Other base case would be if days of I is less than or equal validity, then we return by of I plus 1 and the same validity. And this is the case when this is just us. So we have to buy a ticket. We have 3 choices. So choice 1 is we'll buy 1-day tickets. So we'll go I plus 1. Validity is I, because that ticket is only valid for not I but days of I. And cost is 1 here. Cost 2 and cost 3, or this is not 1 but costs of 0. So like this, costs of 1, cost of 2. We went for the next day, days of I plus 6 for this one, and days of I plus 29 for 30 day. And now we have to return minimum of C1, C2, C3. And that seems all. Okay. And here we return by of 0, 0. So for 0th index, and our validity is day 0, so we don't have a valid ticket. This will probably time out, so we can use cache. but again we'll make memory ourselves just to check the code is good. So seems accepted and it's passed. So yeah, we can see complexity and everything, but let's get back to it and build our memory ourselves. So memory will be a dictionary, and we will, so how are we going to do it? We will have to check for a day, and for a validity what is the best for the index and validity. Okay, so return by so memory of IV is equal to mean of C1, C2, C3, and let's return this, and also maybe this would be the best, or let's maybe save this case because it's okay. If IV in memory return memory of IV, I suppose something like this should work. Let's try it out. So seems accepted. Yeah. And let's try to submit it, and yeah, we can see that performance is similar. Okay, for the time and space complexity, in worst case, 1 day ticket will be the best, so it will be the length of an input. So off and again we do this for each day, so it's again off and. I hope everything was clear and everything makes sense. So yeah, this is complete code, and if you have any questions, leave them in comments. And thank you for following in this one. And I suppose see you in the next one.